Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming accounts and backups. This prevents data loss. Sign into your Microsoft/Xbox account, then install Xbox Insider Hub on Windows or Xbox. On Android, use Google Play Beta Enrollment where available. Once done, navigate to the Insider Hub, choose Minecraft Bedrock, and select the lowest beta ring available to get early builds. Make sure your device meets space and version requirements, because insufficient storage or outdated OS will block the update. You'll now accept the program terms and trigger the beta download. This installs an early build of Bedrock. While waiting, export or copy any active worlds and record which experimental features or resource packs you use so you can re-enable them later. Once the update finishes, open Minecraft, grant any new permissions, and let the game convert worlds if prompted. If the beta adds unknown toggles, read the release notes inside the Insider Hub so you understand changes before playing. You should first test the beta in a duplicate world so you avoid corrupting important saves. Try core systems and any add-ons. If issues appear, exit the beta via Insider Hub or the Play Store and reinstall the stable Bedrock build. Keep backups handy to restore worlds. If the game crashes or won't update, clear cache, reboot device, and reinstall the app. In stubborn cases, use the backup to restore your world and report bugs through the Insider Hub so developers can fix them.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.